This video is sponsored by Sketchfab. Stick around to see how you can get high quality 3D models for free. It's another interesting weekly giveaway, and this week we do have a huge set of free assets that you would definitely want. Starting off, we're looking at folks at Procreate, aka the Render Create. So right now they do have a couple of nice things that they've created. And the most recent installment is the Modern Industrial Pack. This is a set of 3D models that you can use to create industrial environments, as this comes in with a couple of textures and highly optimized for Unreal Engine. So if you like to get this with the high quality textures, you can go all the way from 1K to 8K and download all of these as FBX. And the best part, if you're also looking for more stuff, you can simply go over to the search section and type in the word free. And once you type that word, press the enter button, and you'll be able to see about 115 free extra assets that you can work with. Now you think this is all about it, but it is not, because the folks at Render Create also have a couple of other things that include motion graphic VFX stuff. So, you want to get a couple of Doctor Strange stuff. Yes, you can. You want to hit the subscribe button. You could also go ahead and do that. And for the most part, if you're also looking for more explosive stuff, like some fire, some explosion, and a couple of motion graphics or VFX stuff, these things are right here and you can pick them up. And for those thinking about learning, if you go over to the learning and script section, there's a good number of After Effects learning materials you'll be able to find here, alongside a couple of scripts and plugins that you can use. So for those looking for free models, or probably you're looking for VFX, motion graphics stuff, or some learning materials or After Effects, link to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. And with the brand new set of Blender Asset Browser, right now you can take advantage of some of the assets that Benji Lab is giving out this week on QBrush. And the very first one which you'll be able to find is the iMac M1 Blender Asset Pack set of models that you can work with. But then this starts getting interesting if you go over to Benji's page. So right here on Benji's page, you figure out that every single thing that he has right on his storefront are high quality stuff, and you can pick up from these things and start working with it. From magical potions to home office assets, kitchen assets, and also living room assets. All this will come in handy if you're into interior decoration, or probably you're looking for similar set of assets to decorate your scenes. And while we speak about asset, Brainchild PL is also giving out a huge set of assets. This is currently available on their Gumroad page, where you can find them. First one which you're looking at is a 3D model bundle pack, and this comes in as a Blender file. You can export this as FBX and OBJ. And at the same time, you also have some Substance files that you can use to tweak this to your liking. And for sure, if you're even looking for more stuff, you can go over to the storefront on their Gumroad, where you'll be able to find even way more content that is spread across different toolsets. From stylized feather packs that you can use in ZBrush, Substance, and also Blender, you would also be able to find tons of other things right here that are totally for free. So we're also looking at the full process plus source file, which is more like a tutorial guide on how the scene was created alongside with the source file. And moving forward, you also have some more assets, some more brushes, alpha packs that you can pick up totally for free and start working with. So if you're a ZBrush user, a Substance painter, or maybe you get to work with Blender, and you're looking for high quality alphas, textures, or 3D models that you can tweak and play with, then you might want to consider checking out Brainchild's PL Gumroad, where you can totally get all these things for free. And if you go over to Camille Kellyman's page, you would be finding cool stuff for Marvelous Designer. And if you're into Marvelous Designer and you're looking for free seamless lace texture, or probably you're looking for some Marvelous Designer outfits that you can throw onto your model, or maybe some textures that you can work with, right here you'll be able to find all of these ones for free, and it is just for the taking for anyone that's into Marvelous Designer. And for those looking for high quality realistic 3D scenes that they can use for their projects, you might want to check out Sebastian. Sebastian has created a good number of photorealistic 3D scenes that you can pick up totally for free, from the CGI living room, bathroom, all the way to high quality textures that was used in creating these, alongside with a set of materials. Anyone that is into interior design will definitely find this handy. All of the scenes you'll be downloading comes with the assets which you can throw into your scene and get some very interesting graphic representation of what you're looking for. So for those who are into interior designs, visualizations, or maybe you would like to rip off on some of these assets, then you can simply go over to Sebastian's page on Gumroad and get this right now. And if you're into kit bashing, assembling sets of assets together to create some interesting hard surface materials, then you're in luck. Chuck CG is giving out 45 free parts from his 105 high quality hard surface kit bash set of assets. These assets have been UV'd and they're all subdivision ready. So if you're into hard surface kit bashing, then you might want to consider taking a look at this one. Meanwhile, if you go over to his storefront, you'd also notice that there is a huge set of things that you can get for free. It does have the nature set, and the nature set contains 37 objects that you can get for free, both Blender and FBX. You can also take a look at the sci-fi structures that is also available for free. There's just a whole lot of things you'll be able to get here. There's a fantasy hot set that is available, the Gribble set is available as well. You'll be getting the sci-fi decal K pack for Blender, which is also very cool, especially if you already have the kit-ups. You'll definitely find this one very useful. Building displacement is also available right here. There's a procedural terrain shader, lots of cool things right on this page are totally free. So if you're into hard surface, then this is a must place that you need to come through. And for those that are into 3D models, there's also a great white shark 3D model that is currently available, which you can also pick up from here. And of course, a huge shout out to Chalk CG for making this possible. Blake XYZ is giving out a couple of Blender files. This will be very useful for those who are interested in creating braided leather, or maybe you're looking for textures for real-time eyes or some parametric zippers. These files are available for you to come through and grab for yourself. Foresta Mari has a beautiful Raptor Rig for Maya users, which is extremely awesome. So the idea for this is for you to be able to pick it, work with it, do some amazing things with it. And for the most part, if you simply proceed to get this file, you can start creating some very beautiful animations with it. This comes fully textured and also fully rigged, which makes it super easy for animators to get going once they download this rig. And while we still talk about cool things you can get for Maya users, Sage Elementary is doing some amazing stuff. So he does have a couple of nice Maya tools that we've mentioned on the channel before, but for sure the two free tools that you can get from his page right now is the Maya paste option and also a free Bifrost aerial scene. So the idea for the Maya paste option is for you to be able to remove all the paste underscore prefix that comes with your scene. For example, if you get to copy from one scene to another, Maya recognizes that as a pasted object, and the idea for the script is to remove that prefix so the object actually exists on that page. And CG Elementary has also created tons of other tools for Maya previously, and for those who are thinking about getting some extremely good Maya set of tools, then you might want to consider checking out CG Elementary and see what you can get. And finally for this week, we're looking at Joao Paulo. Joao Paulo is doing something really interesting. If you go over to his page, you'll definitely find CC0 Lowpoly weapon packs that is currently available. So if you're into creating low poly stylized character stuff and you're looking for low poly packs for weapons, especially if you like to use them for commercial projects, you'll definitely find these ones right here. And to preview them, it's pretty simple. You just need to click and you'll be able to find them right here. And for the best part, if you click on the link that takes you over to Sketchfab, you'll be able to find all of these here, and you can just go ahead and download them. And of course, if you like to download them directly on his Gumroad, you can simply click here, type in the word 0 and hit I want this, and you'll be able to get it. And while we speak about low poly assets and where you can get more assets, let's talk about our sponsors, Sketchfab. So Sketchfab is an amazing place on the internet where you can get high quality 3D models totally for free. And the best part, for those who are thinking about getting them, you can simply go over to sketchfab.com, go over to Xplog, go to downloadables, and you'll be able to find high quality 3D models that you can simply hit the download button and get and start playing with. The beautiful thing about Sketchfab is every single week there's a brand new set of models that you can pick from, and for sure if you're looking for a place where you can sell your own 3D model or probably download some free models, then Sketchfab is the home for you. So this is more like it. For those who like to get any of these models that we've talked about, or probably you like to get any of the assets or materials that we've also mentioned on the video, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.